All right, so this is an example of how to use jQuery to hide or show content on a page. So in this specific case, we're going to hide or show everything that's within a specific div with the click of a button. All right, so here's our page, just to make sure we understand the layout. So first I've connected to some libraries and whatnot for to increase the functionality. So I have Bootstrap, Popper, the Bootstrap CSS, and then here we have our jQuery, which we need obviously to do these jQuery examples. So we're linked to jQuery, so we should be able to use it. Then I have a style tag where I'm specifying some styles for some different components. So I have the body with a background color defined, gray color. Then I have this button with a red background, the div A with a tan background, and the div B with a light coral background. This is the page content, so everything in the body here. So I have a header, show hide example. I have a button, which I'm assigning a Bootstrap class to for styling, and it says hide div in the button. And then we have the first div, which is assigned to the div A class, and it has 2 paragraphs in it. And then we have the second div, which is assigned to the div B class and has, again, 2 paragraphs inside of it. And then also within the script tag, and this is the key component of what we're looking at here with jQuery, I have this, again, another script tag in the head part that that defines what this button will do. Okay, so if you click, which is the action, the button that's assigned to the my button, in this case it's a class, so there's the my button class. So if you click this button, then it's going to toggle the div A object either to hide or show. So toggle is basically just a combination of show and hide. So it allows you to hide it if it's currently shown, or show it if it's currently hid. And this is the speed in milliseconds that it takes. So the larger you make that number, the slower it'll be. The smaller the number, the faster it will be. So if we click this, it hides the div because it again is toggling between states. So show, hide, show, hide, show. So again, this is wrapped inside of a document ready so that it doesn't execute anything. You can't execute anything until the full document loads. And then this is the jQuery that defines that action. So you perform an action click on this button, and it impacts the object assigned to the div A class, and what it's doing is toggling between show and hide. So that's a pretty basic example of application of jQuery.